am Bhavani, Product Manager of QATouch. First of all, I would like to wish everyone a happy Testers Day. Thank you for joining the session. Topic AI in testing, how to adopt and learn. Next, we are going to see the presentation outline. What is AI? AI in testing, how to learn and adapt, and next, AI learning tips. AI is becoming a buzzword. We are going to see what AI is. AI is a machine's ability to perform the cognitive functions we usually associate with human intelligence. This means it handles tasks such as learning, pattern recognition, and problem solving with a machine efficiency that sometimes exceeds human capabilities. AI used in the real world in many ways. Firstly, in professional life, it has become an invaluable tool for everyone analysts, bankers, engineers, and testers, and more. In our personal lives, it powers the virtual assistant smart speakers people have at home, shapes the recommendations we get when shopping online or listening to music, and more. Next, we are going to see a small statistics about AI. 35% of companies are using AI and 42% of companies are exploring AI for its implementation in the future. It shows that the number of companies adopting AI is increasing every day. Is AI your ally or foe? Feel free to type in the comments. Will AI take over software testing? What do you think? No, AI won't take the position of humans conducting software testing. Although AI can help automate some parts of the process, humans will still be required to do jobs like providing context and making decisions based on the test results. We should not fear the new jargon. We have to be continuous and curious learners to know about the latest trends and techniques. Make AI your ally to better your work. AI doesn't replace our creativity, it empowers it. You may wonder, if I am a new person and our organization is new to AI, then how can I adapt and learn? Sharing from our experiences a few things like access to the right data is key thing to create a skills and data literacy strategy that serves as a roadmap for hiring and creating the appropriate teams and individuals. Upskilling current team, increasing data and tech literacy globally, and finding the proper partners are the keys to successfully completing this phase. Next is the right technology we are adapting. The application of AI are numerous, ranging from ask me anything chatbots to machine learning that anticipates a customer inclination to make a purchase. This indicates that with the appropriate data, procedures, and technology, AI can and should be presented in a variety of ways. For instance, a current technological stack is necessary for many AI algorithms to consume real-time data from event streams and processes. While teams must create original machine learning methods for some projects, others might use the pre-made as a service ready to available algorithms. The technology used to gather, store, and process data frequently has to be updated as a result of AI. Like any technology, AI has incredible potential but also risks being used improperly. One such instance is biased and obtrusive AI. Business need to eliminate biases from the systems and put data security and privacy at the forefront of everything they do to counteract this. To guarantee that AI systems adhere to legal obligations, organizations should have explicit ethical and governance framework in place. The next important thing is everyone has to be have a common goal and have to collaborate for the any new initiative. So engage your employees not only in the completed strategy but in the creation of a strategy itself. For some, this is an annual process. For others, it might happen at key times to influence organizational changes. Either way, engaging employees in this level of strategic conversation can be inspiring and have a significant impact on employee motivation and engagement. Encouraging questions from a diverse group of sources about the possibilities around AI can only serve to deepen and widen the potential of AI to the business. Last but not least, stay away from AI for AI's sake and make sure you use AI wisely. Everyone is using AI, so we also have to use that. That should not be our case. Your AI activities must be completely in line with your company's needs and technological plan. Too many businesses experiment with AI without first considering how it might help them solve problems and find opportunities. Next, we are going to see how can we leverage AI in testing. To effectively leverage AI in testing, consider the following steps. Okay. Identify use cases. Determine which testing tasks can benefit most from the AI automation. Choose AI-powered testing tools or platforms that align with your testing needs. Ensure that you have clean and representative data of training AI models. Integrate AI tools seamlessly into your existing testing processes. Train AI models with relevant data and validate their accuracy before deploying them in testing. As Ram also mentioned in the previous session, like continuous learning is important. Continuously, you will improve AI models and algorithms to adapt to evolving applications. Maintain in-person tests for critical thinking, test strategy, and interpret AI-generated insights. There are many options to leverage AI. Here, I have mentioned a few generic use cases in testing. Do better planning of the tests. Choose which test cases to generate for a new feature and how to run the test cases. Generate test data. For instance, you can use AI to generate realistic names, addresses, phone numbers, or email addresses for your test data. Do visual testing. Visual testing evaluates the visible output of an application and compares that output against the results expected by the baseline design. By using ML-based visual validation tools, we can find differences that human eyes would most likely miss, difficult to find out. Create and manage more maintainable test scripts. Jeff Mayer, a test engineer at Dell EMC, talked about this in his session at the AI Summit Guild. He told the story of how his team members found themselves caught in the test automation trap and how they overcome with the help of AI. Faster delivery of the project. How often do your automation tests fail due to developers making changes to the product, like renaming the form field or the name or ID? I have faced this many times. But tools can use machine learning to automatically adjust to these changes. This makes tests more maintainable and reliable. For example, current AI ML testing tools start learning about your application, understanding relationships between the parts of the document object model, and learning about changes throughout time. Log analysis is very difficult when it has a huge file. So AI can analyze logs to detect anomalies. Let's lead with curiosity, innovate with purpose, and shape a future we are really proud to be part of. By effectively integrate AI into your testing process, you can enhance efficiency, test coverage, and the overall quality of your software while freeing up your testing team to focus on more complex and creative tasks. Absolutely, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way to generate tests and streamline various aspects of development and quality assurance. The upcoming release of AI powered test case generation using ChatGPT in KTouch sounds promising. We are going to see the video. It will generate when you type the test case title. It will generate the test case steps automatically. Yeah, thank you. Learning AI empowers you to address the real world challenges more efficiently and effectively. AI is rapidly becoming an integral part of various industries from healthcare, finance, manufacturing to entertainment. Learning AI now positions you well for further career opportunities as AI technologies continue to advance. It can be intellectually stimulating and personally rewarding. It challenges your problem solving abilities and encourages continuous learning. AI fosters innovation and opens up opportunities for entrepreneurial ventures. AI leverages data to provide insights and support decision making. Understanding AI enables you to make data driven choices in both your personal and professional life. Also, it has the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change, healthcare accessibility, and other things. Your AI expertise could contribute to meaningful global solutions. Learning AI can be an exciting and intellectually rewarding journey, whether you are just starting or looking to deepen your knowledge. Here are some tips to help you along the way. Understand the basics of machine learning. Begin with a strong foundation in machine learning. Learn about supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Understand key concepts like algorithms, training data, and model evaluation. Python is the most commonly used programming language in AI. Learn it well along with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. Brush up your mathematics, especially linear algebra, probability, and statistics. Take advantage of online courses and tutorials. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy are offer excellent courses on AI and machine learning. And read books and research papers too. Books like Hands-on Machine Learning with Skitlearn is a great book to start with. Read research papers and stay up to date with the latest developments in the field. AI is a broad field. Consider specializing in a subfield like computer vision, shortly called as NLP, natural language processing, or reinforcement learning based on your interests. And not only learning, practical experience is invaluable always. There is no better way to learn than by doing. Start with simple projects and gradually move to more complex ones. Building your own projects will deepen your understanding. AI communities and collaborations are thriving. Learning AI allows you to engage with like minded individuals, collaborate on projects, and contribute to open source initiatives. So far, we have seen tools which need skills and expertise. You may think, can I experience AI without coding? Yeah, we have multiple options there. So, few sites we are going to see about without coding knowledge, you will be able to access it. The first one probably you might all have experience with the OpenAI, ChatGPT. Everyone knows this and might have tried also. It's a AI powered language model developed by OpenAI capable of generating human like text based on context and past conversations. You can try the AI experiments to understand how AI works. Next one is Quick Draw. It is an online game developed by Google that challenges players to draw a picture of an object or idea and then uses a natural network AI to guess what the drawings represent. The AI learns from each drawing, improving its stability to guess correctly in the future. Teachable Machine is the next one by Google Creative Lab. A fast, easy way to create machine learning models. No coding knowledge is required. Then Veka. It is an open source GUI machine learning tool developed by University of Waikato. It is available with an easy GUI and the library is simple to learn compared to other tools like TensorFlow and other things. For a beginner in machine learning and AI, the algorithms can be either applied directly to a data set or called from our own Java code. These are all the references I used. Do you have any questions? Feel free to type.
So, Bhavani, that was an amazing session, to be honest. Like, my head is like completely filled with AI right now with no code automation tools. And, like, yes, having a balance between this AI and human power will be very good, because AI
Very.
cannot exceed human power, because we don't want the world to ruled by robots. Nobody wants the world to be ruled
Yeah.
by robots. So everything should be in a minimal level. Like, everything, like, if you just, even though, like, there will be situation where people will be thinking like AI can replace the job of a person, but that's not
No.
going to happen. Like,
Yeah.
if you understand how to use AI, then you can be still be in the job, because AI is made by human. It's just a thing which is bought out from a human brain, so obviously it cannot eradicate the entire human. So that's just completely a misconception. So through the slides, the site was very informative. So thank you so much, Bhavani, for being such a wonderful community provider. I'm so glad. And like, yeah, I mean, guys, like we are officially related. Like, I work under Bhavani, so she is like actually my manager. Like for any kind of QA things, I directly go to her. So in case if you have any questions related to QAs, you can directly feel free to reach out to her in LinkedIn. She's available for the community users all the time. She's like actually a mentor as well, so you can ask any of the questions. And in case if you need more information, you can directly reach out to us via info@qatouch.com. So once again, thank you so much. Vanakkam, namaskaram,
Yeah.
Bhavani, for this wonderful session.
Yeah. Thank you for your time. And I hope this session was helpful.